Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Tuesday, November 12, 2019. Our 1958 Penn Yan Sealiner has reached and blown through an important milestone. Her bottom is finished. We've applied 3 coats of Pettit Hi-Build primer, followed by 3 coats of Sandusky copper bronze anti-fouling bottom paint. And that was after final fairing, sealing with 3 coats of clear penetrating epoxy sealer, and then applying the bottom paint. Her topsides were faired as well, sealed with clear penetrating epoxy sealer, primed with sorry for the pause, primed with Hi-Coat primer, and then we applied the first 3 coats of Interlux Premium Yacht Enamel in semi-gloss white. And now we are flipping her upright so we can finish working on the decks and the interior of the hull. Her new transom's in place. As you can see, we've pretty much completed stripping her decks. But the best part is that while she was upside down, the guys stripped, sanded, sealed, and have applied, RJ, what'd you apply? 4 coats of the Sikkens inside? 2 coats of the Sikkens. Oh, that's right. This hull, we didn't want to destroy the interior patina, so we sanded it with 120 by hand.
Anthony did it.
Anthony?
120.
120. So we sanded the whole interior with 120 and applied 2 top coats of Sikkens Cetol Marine. So she's now upright. Her new transom has been sealed after being stained with gel stain, wood coat. That's WOODKOTE, wood coat stain, our own mixture. That'll just stay here. And at the waterline and below, she also received the Hi-Coat primer and Sandusky copper bronze anti-fouling paint. So now we have her right side up. Anthony has just about finished stripping the splash rails, all of the interior components, the aft deck hatch, etc. Virtually all of it has been stained after being bleached with Daly's 2-part A/B wood bleach. And Anthony and the rest of the crew have begun applying varnish to all of those pieces. As with other boats we've done, it's just amazing the amount of parts and pieces that we find inside. So we've got her right side up, looking rather smart, and at that point we will continue until the next milestone. That will be varnishing is behind us and she's ready to be reassembled. Bye-bye for now. Thank you so much from Snake Mountain Boat Works.